Hi guys, are you interested in how to change audio balance on your Samsung Galaxy A15? I think yes, and today I would show you how to do it. To do it, from main menu we must go to the settings. In it, we look for accessibility selection, and there we tap on hearing. And now scroll down, and there we have our audio balance with connected audio or our phone speakers. We can change it easily by tap to the left, to the right, or to the middle. The same story with phone speaker, to the left, to the right, or to the middle. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.